Struggling to get your hosting or site to rank? The AI SEO Assistant is hidden in plain sight. Here's exactly how to use it. Alright, let's be honest. You built a great website on Hostinger. You've got pages, maybe a blog, maybe some products. But getting them to actually show up on Google can feel like a total mystery. The good news is, Hostinger has a built-in AI SEO assistant that does a ton of the heavy lifting for you. And it's probably sitting there right in your dashboard, just waiting to be used. So let's find it and put it to work. We're going to navigate the blog section, activate the assistant, and optimize your pages step by step. Let's dive in. Start by opening up your Hostinger dashboard and heading over to the blog section. This is where you manage all your site content. Now look for the magic wand icon. It's usually in the top bar or somewhere near your page list. Click that little sparkle. That icon is your gateway to all the AI tools Hostinger offers. From the menu that pops up, choose the option that says AI SEO Assistant. This is the tool we're after. Now you'll see it asks you what kind of content you're working with. Let's start with articles. Click on Article. This tells the assistant you're optimizing a blog post or a standard written page. It will then scan that content and suggest keywords, meta descriptions, and other SEO tweaks specifically for that format. Now here's a trick to manage all your pages at once. Click the Sort drop-down menu. You'll see a few different filters. We're going to use these to focus on specific areas of your site. First, select Product Pages. If you have an online store, this is gold. The assistant will now show you only the product pages that need attention. You can review them and apply the suggested improvements one by one. After you've worked through those, open the Sort drop-down again. This time, pick Main Pages. These are your core site pages, like your home page, your about page, your contact page. It's just as important to optimize these as it is your blog posts. The assistant will review each one and give you a clear list of things to fix. So now that we've got a good handle on individual pages, let's zoom out. Click on Website Information. This gives you a bird's eye view of your entire site's SEO health. This is where you'll see a big picture summary. And right there, you'll likely see a section that says, "Some pages require your attention." Click on that. The assistant has already analyzed everything and flagged the pages that are hurting your rankings. It will tell you exactly what's missing, whether it's a page title, a meta description, or something else. And finally, if you ever get stuck or want to learn more, click on Help Resources. This links out to Hostinger's own documentation and tutorials. It's a great place to deepen your understanding. But honestly, by following these steps, you've already gone from being confused about SEO to confidently using the AI assistant to optimize your blog posts, your product pages, and your main pages. That's a huge step towards better search rankings. So get in there, play with those settings, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. Thanks for watching.